out there. Nice, nice.
Come on.
Not a giant, but we'll take her. Trailer hook. She come off. Come here. Ow, you spined me, son of a gun. I just realized I didn't do an intro or anything today. So here's my intro. Out here, Jordan. Crazy weather, rain, sun, wind, no wind, light breeze. Finding some schooling fish. See if we can get out some bigger ones. Absolutely destroyed it. Absolutely destroyed it. Oh my gosh, that was such a hard play. That thing just exploded on it. And it's not even big. That thing crushed it. I mean, it ain't big, but the thing destroyed the crankbait. I think what happened is I was stuck. I'm like stuck over something.
Yeah.
And then it was hanging there, and all of a sudden something hit it.
And then it just... Come on with it. That?
You might have snagged a crappie in the back.
Maybe he'll have your spoon.
Yeah, right? Well, Larry snagged him.
They're there though, I mean, at least you know they're off, or at least that way.
Little guy.
Yes.
Oh no! No! Oh! Yeah, baby! Big old crappie!
Just said that.
Tiny. Back to back! Little guy. Crappie all over the place.
Got him!
Oh, that's on in open water, baby.
Yeah.
Chasing shad. I was like,
he choked that one.
yeah, why couldn't the other ones choke it? Down. Like, but the other ones, the other two giants, they couldn't get it. As it starts raining again. On the frog. Good one. Which color? Decent one. I don't know if he's a giant, but he's definitely bigger than whatever we have in the bot. I think. He could be foul hook. I don't know how big he is. Okay, he might be decent. He might be decent. That was a good run right there. It's a good one. If he's not foul hook, it's a good one. Hopefully it's not a catfish. Oh yeah, decent one. 4-pounder, maybe? You get ready. Yep. Put the net down, I'm just gonna bring him right to you. Jeez!
I realized he was right there.
She's got it.
Yeah,
she choked it. All right, here she comes. Bring her right to you. Nope, there she goes again. Damn, dude. She's acting like a damn 10-pounder.
Yeah, you ain't that big, sweetheart.
Yeah.
We want you.
Oh, that's a decent one. Let's go! About time. That is a good one. Absolute, you're good. Ooh, do not get me in the hand with that hook.
She's bigger than I thought she was.
Yeah, that might be 5. 4.5. Ooh, I do not, I'm so afraid to get hooks in my hand.
Oh, dude, I know.
Absolutely choked it. First cast with a new color too. Look at that. Probably 4.5. She could push 5.
She might push 5.
She might push 5. We will take that fish right there, grinding all day for little bitty 12-inchers. We'll take it. Finally, a big one in the Ranger.
Freaking long time coming. Oh yeah, first big one for the boat.
First big one for the boat. I didn't get it on camera because the camera's there and I'm not wearing the chesty, but I had a giant blow up on the frog, like certified toad, like a big one. Missed like 2 or 3 others on a frog. Now we're just doing a little bit, following the creek channel, river channel, to see if we can get some other big ones like that one, and no more little 12-inch schoolies. We're all set with that, right? Oh yeah. 524. Yeah, 524. 5.25. Look at that. We'll take that all day long. We need 4 more of those right there. Oh, heads up. Yep. Yeah. What did I say? One's gonna come flipping.
Yep.
Not a giant, but choked it. Not a giant. Sweet, man. Not decent at all. That might call out that little one in there though. Right off that little cut right there. Got him with both hooks. He wanted that. Dang. Trucked it. Little one. 5.25 right there. Let her go. There she goes. Nice. Whew, what a day. Almost forgot to film an outro. With the fish that we had, some that we didn't even get on camera. I know this was filmed a lot differently than previous videos, so I hope it wasn't too bad. I hope you all enjoyed. Honestly, there is some giant fish. I had an absolute giant go ahead and blow up on a topwater and just completely missed it. If it wasn't a bowfin, it was an absolute giant. And so had that. Would have been great if we could have gotten that. And I had another one that I missed on a frog. That was a good one. That was probably at least a 4 or 5 pounder. So shoulda, coulda, woulda, right? Like we could have had, you know, around 20 to 23 pounds, but we ended up with around 14 pounds or so for our best 5. But weather was weird. Today was a weird day. Started out, lost my sunglasses on the first run, just flew off the boat, so that was sick, and ended up losing some decently priced baits. Let's see, what else happened? Oh, the weather was crazy. Started out beautiful in the morning, then started getting cloudy, then it got windy, then it stopped getting windy and it started raining, and then it got clear, or it stopped raining, was cloudy, got clear again, and then it started getting really windy and sunny, so and it's really humid right now. Hope you all enjoyed. If you enjoy these, please go ahead, subscribe. I'm gonna be getting a few things taken care of on the boat. Love it so far. She absolutely rips. If anyone has any questions about it, the way that I rigged it, the way it's set up, please let me know. And we'll catch you on the next one. Ew!